Now, in the excellent Occult Exercises and Practices by Gareth Knight, which I have 2 copies of here, he goes into some more detail of specific practices that you could do to try and enhance and grow your imaginative and visualizationary skills. So one exercise is to focus on an object for 10 minutes in your mind's eye, in your imagination. And he suggests starting off with something as simple as a tennis ball, or I suppose you could use an apple or anything that's sort of simple in shape and very, very familiar. So focusing on every aspect of it, trying to draw it visually in 3 dimensions in your mind. And then on the more complex end of the scale, he suggests visualizing a chessboard, placing all of the pieces in the right place, visualizing the texture of the material that the chessboard is made of. He also says that it would be useful to then dispel the object itself that is your focus and instead focus on the nothingness that is left behind. And obviously we're going to come on to astral work in a later episode of the Occult Tools series, but he does say that all astral work is done by the imagination. So this skill as a foundational tool is really something that should be honed at this point. So then once you've done the objects, you should move on to environments. So take yourself on a really familiar walk, even just like you walk to a bus stop or to work or to a cafe, something that you are really familiar with every single aspect of it. You've done it 1,000 times. Do that visualization practice. Take yourself on that walk. Imagine every single element of it. We then go on to take a detailed image that is like visually rich and seems to be a sort of space and try and inhabit it. So he suggests taking a tarot card because there's just so much richness to it. You know, there's so much in the card imagery itself. Step into it. What do you see? What appears to you? I would say you could also use a painting that you love or that is very familiar to you or that you have at hand, or a print, something that is symbolically and visually rich that you can step into. That's the key element of it, stepping into this space using your imagination.